Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Figma. First, navigate to the official Figma website. You'll see options to get started for free or sign up. Choose one to begin creating your account. You can use your Google account for a quick setup or register with an email address. If you use email, remember to check your inbox and verify your account to activate it fully. This initial step is super straightforward. Once your account is ready, it's time to get the desktop application. While Figma works in your browser, the desktop app often provides a smoother experience and allows for offline work. Head to the Downloads section on the Figma website and select the correct version for your operating system. Install it by following the simple prompts, then log in with the account you just created. With the app installed, let's set up your workspace. You can create a new team for your projects or join an existing one if you're collaborating. To begin designing, simply start a new design file. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, the canvas, the Layers panel on the left, and the Properties panel on the right. Don't forget to invite your team members to collaborate seamlessly. Finally, let's fine-tune your Figma experience. Head to your profile settings to personalize your name and avatar. You can also adjust interface preferences, such as switching between light and dark themes or modifying zoom behavior. Explore the vast array of plugins and integrations available to supercharge your workflow. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts, like pressing V for the Move tool or F for the Frame tool, will significantly boost your efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.